What's up guys, my name is Abi and I'm a little bit nervous today because I'm going to be taking this diversity receiver and putting it into my Fat Shark goggles. As you guys may know, I fly with the Teleporter V5s. They are a very good pair of goggles and I like them a lot. However, the one thing I hate about them is that the receiver is a 7-channel receiver and it's only one band, and that is the Fat Shark band. So today I will be taking this diversity receiver made by Turbo Wing, which I got on banggood.com, and I will be mounting it right in here into this pair of goggles right here. So I'm gonna cut the goggle. Hopefully it'll be nice and clean. I'm gonna be using a razor blade and some tape to tape it off, and I just really want nice clean results with this, and hopefully everything goes as planned. So I already took my face mask off and I've started basic setup, and I will catch back up with you guys when I'm ready to start cutting. Okay, so I have mapped out exactly how I'm going to put this receiver in, and I have taped off the section I need to cut. So everything inside this is what I will be cutting. So I have now scored the area I need to cut. It's a little bit messy, but it's gonna have to do. And now I'm going to take the main receiver module that comes with them or comes with the goggles, and I will desolder them and put in the new pin headers for the new receiver. So I will get to that right now. Okay, so the hard part is done. I have cut a ginormous hole in the side of my goggles, my $200 Fat Shark goggles. I mean, I'm just so stressed out. That was honestly the most stressed out I've been in a really long time. So the next thing to do would be to take my file right here and to just smooth out all the edges. Alright, so the edges are nice and smooth. The last thing would be to install the receiver, which I just soldered up. And as you can see, as before, this was directly soldered and I had to cut those pins. But now I've added that pin header, so I can simply slide out the receiver, slide it back in. So that's quite nice. I can run any receiver now that I want in my Fat Shark goggles. So I will conclude in a second once everything is all finished up. Okay, so we got the goggles all put back together. Let me get a nice little close-up. Got them all in there. It's looking okay, to be honest. I'm gonna have to put a door on so I can access my my port, or my channels and bands a little bit easier. But to be honest, I'm not complaining. I actually think they turned out a lot better than I expected, and they work perfectly fine. You know, I just tested them with the 5-inch. As you can see, got the GoPro mount. Waiting for that to come in the mail, but that's it for this one, guys. If you have any questions about how I did any of this stuff, or if you have any questions or advice about what you're going to do when you indeed try this, just let me know down below. I will help any of you guys out, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.